Productivity wise, normally our road mender with a two-man gang will do between 20 and 25 square metres a day. With this machine today we've done 63 square metres. I brought an extra 2 men in just for the volume of materials we're using, but it's more or less doubled the workload of what we're putting out in a day. Cost per pothole is one of the things that the KPIs we've got on the contract with Walsall Council. We have to report back on every month and do an average of what it costs across, as I said, the range of different types of work we get. We have to do a cost evaluation of that cost per pothole. As I say, we've actually got the client officer come out last week when we saw the patches we've got to do and extended the size of the patches so we can pull in more of the scabby road, if you like, next to it and extend the size of the patches, which makes the value of the roads better, the quality of the roads better, and includes the cost. While we're there, we do it in one go, one set of traffic management, so it's all those sorts of costs you've got to take into benefit as well. It's reduced a lot of manual labour, it's speeded up the process, it's meant we can do bigger patches in one day, it saves traffic management and costs. One of the other benefits we've seen over the last 2 days as well is the 360 vision the driver's got. The people working in close proximity to this vehicle can be seen by the driver, they can see the driver. Having one machine that does 3 jobs is going to mean less people on site, so there's less chance of machinery and people getting into physical contact.